Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony back in the dungeon, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to Unbox on T and Tony TV. Before we get into this, let's get the pleasantries out the way, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit subscribe, like, share this video if you please. And without further ado, let's get into these shoes. That's looking real good. Alright, so what we have here is another GS, you know what I'm saying? Actually it ain't even a GS, it's a TD. It's a toddler shoe, you know what I'm saying? It's for my seed. Speaking of, due date change, it's gonna be March 12th, not the 16th. So if you're thinking about getting our baby something, go ahead and hit me up, you know what I'm saying? You know what I like, so it's only right. Without further ado, let's get into this shoe. What we have here is the, let me read it, the official for you. Jordan 6 Retro TD. Black, Bordeaux, light graphite. It's a 5C. You know what I'm saying? Retail was $60 US. You know what I'm saying? And let me open this. This is my first time opening it, so. Okay. These ain't half bad. Let me get the other one out, you know what I'm saying? Throw this box down. They got a sticker in here like last time. Yep. Sticker in there. I can't even grab it. Sticker in there. But here's the shoe. I'm not upset, you know what I'm saying, for a toddler shoe. It just looked like a miniature version of a 6, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. No, it's not a soft bottom, but one thing that is different, this is plastic on the men's pair and the women's pair, the grade school. This is like, feel like some really tough, I almost feel like cardboard, but it ain't cardboard. It's just, I guess it's the way they stitch it and put it on there to give it that shape. But let me grab a adult, let me grab a men's pair so you can see the difference. No 6s sitting around. Let me grab this old pair of 6s. It's an old pair of 6s, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, this is plastic. This is plastic on here. So slight difference. They didn't put the tongue holes in there. I had to look at the GS pair or the men's pair. I know the men's pair should have the holes on it. I really ain't look at it. I didn't want it for myself. I wanted it for the baby. And he or she is gonna rock these. I'm gonna rock mine. Probably my infrareds. Or I got the hair 6s. I don't know where they're at, but I got the hair 6s. Probably in the box. But without further ado, let's get into the B-roll and close this thing out. You know how we do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Toddler Bordeaux 6. Bordeaux colorway came from the Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux, which I don't have a pair of those, but do your research. Or matter of fact, I'll put a picture right here. And that's where these came from. So it's a little flip, you know what I'm saying? They already did the hair 6s, which was a flip on the hair 7s. Basically same colorway, different model. So that's what they did with these. And I copped a pair for the kiddo. So, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on Toni TV. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. I'm out. That's looking real good. You on your way home. Alright, I'm about to start cooking in a minute. I just finished this video. I gotta edit it, you know.
I thought you weren't editing.
Oh, so the video that I recorded yesterday, the camera died, and I was like, you know what? I can finish that video anytime, but I got the baby some more shoes.
And you didn't include me in that video?
What you mean?
That's what we talked about, Antonio.
Ooh, my government. I'm so still recording.
I'm glad that you are, because the people need to hear how you said I would be in the next video for the baby shoes. And
Wow. Well, then I guess we gotta buy more shoes. Well, technically, wait. You're in this video right now.
Okay, love you.
I love you too.
I'm on my way home.
Alright. Bye. You see what I gotta put up with? She ain't lying. I did say the next video she was gonna be in it, but I forgot. And I got excited. You know what I'm saying? What can you blame me? Can you blame me? Man, that's it. I'm out. Peace.